In this guide, I'll show you how to fix stick drift on your PS4 controller, so try this before taking it apart. Now you will need a dust blaster, which is compressed air. What you want to do is push your analog stick to one side whilst pushing down, and this is going to create a gap on the opposite side, and you want to use the compressed air in the gap that's created. Now you want to work around the entire circumference of both analog sticks, and once you've done that, test it out and see if it works better. Now, if it doesn't, another thing you can try is to press down on both analog sticks. And then what you want to do whilst pressing down is make a clockwise rotation around the border. Then once you've done that, you want to press down again and then go counterclockwise whilst pressing down. Now, between these two steps, you should see improvement in your stick drift. And if you've tried both of these steps and you still notice stick drift, at this point, it's likely you're going to have to take apart your controller because that's going to 100% fix any stick drift you're experiencing. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.